All right, for once I'm not fixated on Air Windows plugins here in lowly humble Vinyl Bear Studio. Instead, I want to share with you, in case you had not previously discovered it, the magic of ToneBoosters EZQ, which I have inserted here in the mix bus in this mastering project for a song called The Ghost of Whitesburg Town. About 7 songs down, 3 to go on this album of acoustic arrangements by the artist Brian Rich. Songs by the artist Brian Rich. And I am trying to establish and to unify the tonal balance of all the different tracks. I'm getting closer, still have a little ways to go. And this song is a real outlier in terms of tonal balance. So much so that I try to unify everything as much as possible in the mix. This is kind of a last resort measure for me to apply a broad tonal adjustment like this in the mastering stage. But when it's called for, it's called for. And ToneBoosters EZQ just does a fantastic job. It just makes it so effortless when it's really called for. I wanted to share that with you. First, I'm just going to go through and play some short segments of other songs in this project to give you a tonal reference. I'm not going to talk as I go through this, just going to do it. And then I'm going to hit play on this song, The Ghost of Whitesburg Town. And I think you'll agree there's a rather jarring shift in tonality. So here we go. I'm just going to mute the microphone before I begin. All right.
I can taste the morning dew from the mountain. A dense fog rises up from my home. Been watching over Whitesburg and the townsmen. No, I'm not standing here alone. Blood ran through Bull Run into the Occoquan River. Cannon shot, rings of smoke where souls were delivered. And I lay shot in the leg, looking all around. Saw my friend on the bank, fading in and out. I heard the rattle before he closed his eyes. I know Henry loved the Lord and walked into the light. The SSB recruited me to dispatch and ride the secret line. Washington to Richmond, hidden by friends in old gold mines. The snowbirds are gone, they're Dixie bound. I can't fly, but I made it to the south. I met a couple friends, the brothers Brown, and I know a man clearing the Sand Lick Cemetery grounds. Have you heard of the ghost of Whitesburg town? He's always got work to do. The widow's mule is too old to plow, and there's no more milk coming from the coddle's cow.
So, isn't that something? I mean, so it almost feels like cheating in a way, but you work really hard on these things. You really do try to get it right. I work really hard on these things. I really try to get it right. I try to get it right in the arrangements. I try to get it right from the channel strips in the tracks of the mix. And I missed the mark with this one. Not for lack of trying, you know. And I just decided it's time to whip out ToneBoosters EZQ and let it do its thing. And so, for whatever the hell it's worth, from lovely, scenic Paju City, South Korea, I hope this video finds you well. And may the winds of clarity blow ever in your favor. Over and out.